Moments of animals drinking. Where nature quenches ideas SOL. From dawn to dusk, every creature rewrites the same ancient ritual. Drinking water. Across continents, from leopards to sparrows, every species reveals how thyroid shapes its instincts, ties its families, and defines its survival. Each sip is a fragment of nature's memory. Calm, fragile, enduring. In this journey, we witness not just how they drink, but how they live through it. Number 1. Kudu antelope. The greater kudu lives up to 15 years and thrives across southern Africa as woodlands. Males, adorned with spiral horns, call softly to females during mating season. Their sensitive ears catch distant thunder, a promise of rain. At dawn, they approach water with slow grace. Stillness becomes survival. Number 2. Lion. Lions can live 12 to 14 years. A pride centers on females who raise cubs together while males defend territory. During dry months, they travel miles to find water. Cubs watch and imitate every movement. Even royalty thirsts for peace. Number 3. Gazelle. Graceful and alert, gazelles live about 10 years. They mate for brief seasons, and mothers hide newborns in grass until safe. Their bodies conserve moisture remarkably. They drink quickly and vanish. The desert hums beneath their light steps. Number 4. Zebra. Zebras live 20 to 25 years and form lifelong bonds in families. When foals drink, adults stand guard. Each stripe cools their skin and confuses flies. They remember favorite watering holes across migrations. Black and white unite in thirst. Number 5. African wild dog. These painted hunters live nearly 10 years. Packs care for sick or injured members, rare loyalty in predators. After long hunts, they rest and drink together before feeding pups. Compassion runs in the pack. Number 6. Leopard. Loners of the savanna. Leopards live up to 17 years. Females raise cubs alone, teaching stealth and patience. They climb trees even to drink dew from leaves. In solitude, elegance breeds strength. Number 7. African elephant. Elephants live nearly 70 years. They mourn their dead and remember for decades. Matriarchs led herds to ancient watering holes known only to them. Every drink honors generations before. Memory flows like water. Number 8. Hyena. Hyenas live 20 years. Females dominate and lead packs. They defend young fiercely and share water sources with rivals cautiously. Their laughter hides hierarchy. Chaos smiles in order. Number 9. Blue wild beasts. These herd animals live 15 to 20 years. Calves stand minutes after birth. Guided by smell and memory, they cross rivers filled with danger during migration to water. Endurance dances with dusk. Number 10. Japanese macaque. Living up to 25 years, snow monkeys form tight family troops. They bathe in hot springs to warm infants and socialize. Mothers share thermal pools with daughters. Steam carries their stories. Number 11. African buffalo. Buffaloes live nearly 20 years. They form protective circles around calves during attacks. After drinking, ox-pecker birds clean their skin. A mutual trust. Strength finds balance in care. Number 12. Red kangaroo. Red kangaroos live 22 years. Females can pause pregnancy until rain returns. Their tails balance leaps. A living spring. They drink briefly in dawn's glow. A cool sip under scorching skies. Number 13. Black-backed jackal. Jackals live 14 years and mate for life. Pairs call in duet songs before hunting. They raise pups together, sharing food and watch over waterholes at twilight. Love echoes in survival. Number 14. Giraffe. Giraffes live 25 years. They sleep only 30 minutes a day. Calves drop to meters at birth yet stand within minutes. Bending to drink, they must splay legs wide, risking predators. Elegance defies gravity. Number 15. Warthog. Warthogs live 15 years. They reverse into dens for safety. Tails held upright when running. Drinking on knees. They teach piglets resilience. Humility guards survival. Number 16. Bear. Bears live 30 years, hibernate through winter, and scent-mark territories across vast ranges. Mothers defend cubs with unmatched courage. Their morning drinks soften mighty strength. Peace roars quietly. Number 17. Rhino. Rhinos can live 40 to 50 years. They see poorly but smell powerfully. Mothers nurse calves 18 months before solitude. They wallow in mud ponds to protect skin. Weight drinks with dignity. Number 18. Wapiti, elk. Elk live 20 years and migrate between forests and meadows. Their bugling call echoes 8 kilometers. Males shed antlers yearly, symbols of rebirth. At streams, family herds drink silently. Majesty hums in mist. Number 19. Bengal tiger. Living 15 years, Bengal tigers are solitary guardians of watery forests. They swim long distances and teach cubs to hunt fish. Their reflection glows beneath orange light. Majesty breathes through silence. Number 20. Banded mongoose. Small but fearless. Mongooses live 12 years in colonies. They fight snakes together and share babysitting duties. When drinking, they form tight formations, a choreography of safety. Together, life completes its circle. Life circles back to water, where thirst meets trust. Stay with nature. Subscribe for trust.